Welcome back to this course on how to set up your advertising account to start promoting your e-commerce products on Instagram. My name is Roberto and this is lesson 2 in which we're going to set up our advertising account. But first, let's do a quick recap. In lesson 1, we talk about assets as different departments on your e-commerce within the digital world of Meta Business Suite. We already created our first two assets, the Facebook page and our Instagram account. Today, we're going to create our third asset, our ads account. Think about it as your advertising department. This asset unlocks the so-called Meta Ads Manager, the one platform where you can create and manage all your ads for Instagram and Facebook. Before we dive into creating the ads account, let me show you a few perks of Meta Business Suite. Many e-commerce underutilize Meta Business Suite, but it has a great potential to help you run your business more efficiently. First, I'm going to show you the inbox tool, from which you can manage all your messages and community interactions easily. Next, I'll show you the content section. This section is gold for social media managers who want to schedule their posts, stories, or even run A/B tests with two different versions of a content post. And finally, we will dive into the ads section, where I will show you how to properly set up an ads account. As always, I have prepared a master cheat sheet for you in this lesson, so you can just follow step by step. We'll start with step 1, logging into our Meta Business Suite account. So let me just go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so we're back at our Meta Business Suite, like always, and we're gonna make sure that we're on the right account. And once we have our right account, we will see that these are all the tools that we can use from our Meta Business Suite and all the options. So let's start with Inbox. So on Inbox, we will be able to see all the messages, respond to them, and interact with our community. So we can just reply directly from here, from our Messenger, from our Instagram, Facebook, comment, everything. So then moving on, we have also content. So here we can see our content, how much engagement, interaction, and performance it's had. And we can run A/B tests as well. We can just post anything that we want, like stories, clips, etc. Or if we go to the planner section, we could potentially even schedule different contents, like here. Schedule a post, story, reels, or even an ad. We're going to be doing that from the ads account. So this is more or less what we can do, because the ads account, we're going to create an ad account. So let's just do that. We're going to go and click on settings again. And then we're going to go to the account section and add accounts. We click on it and we don't have an account yet created. So we're just going to add an ad account. And same again, we have three options: create a new one, you can claim an existing one, or request to share access with another one. I'm going to show you how to create a new account. So for that, first we're going to give it a name. So again, our e-commerce name, Rojo Air Deco, and then just add account, just to know what we're talking about. We will need to give it a time zone and a currency. In our case, for example, we're going to change dollars to euro, and we're going to click on next. And we're just going to confirm that we are creating an ad account that is going to be linked to our Meta Business Suite. Agree and click on create ad account. This might take a second. Yep, close this window. But here basically we have it. We could add the payment method here, but we're just going to click on done and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, here we have our Rojo Erdec account. And like always, we're going to start by giving access to the right people. So add people here, and then we will click on the person that we want to give access, and then either partial access or full control. I always advise you to give full control, so you don't have to end up just giving slowly control all the way until full. And click on grant and done. This is important for when you're having a person running your ads.
Well done. Now you have your ad accounts completely set up. We're just missing one last step, a very important though, adding a payment method. Like every form of advertising, you will have to pay Meta to show your products on their social media platforms. It is crucial to fill this data right now so you can avoid errors in the future. Meta ads offer different types of payment methods: card, PayPal, or online banking. But after years of running ads and setting up ad accounts, my advice will be to select card payment method. It has been proven to be best option to avoid any payment issues in the future. So let's just go back to sharing my screen and also you where you can add your payment method.
Then if you click on the three dots on the top right, we'll be able to click on View Payment Methods, which is going to take us to a different section that is Billing and Payments. From here, you will be able to download your bills and also just add a new paying method. So we're going to click on Get Started. Same again. Is going to ask for country, currency, time zone. Click on Next. And we have three different methods of payment. So card, PayPal, or online banking. So we normally, and if we click on edit, you can also add here your business information with your VAT number, country code, and all that, just to create the bills with your right information. And going back, we always recommend to add a card. It's the best thing so you don't get glitch, ban, or anything. And here you will just be able to add all the information from your card to be connected and taking charges. Just be aware that normally Facebook takes small charges at the very beginning just to build trust on you and your account. And then from there, it will increase the amount charged. So for example, it will start with amounts like $3 to $4 or euros, then 10, then 20, then 100, then 250 and stuff like that over time. So don't be worried if you see small charges from Facebook. That's just because they don't want you to run away without paying. So this is actually quite normal. And once we include our paying method, I'm not going to do it here just for privacy reasons, we will have already set up our ad accounts and ready to go on to the next lesson.
And that's it. I hope it wasn't too painful. Now you have successfully set up your ads account. You're very, very close to having a fully functional advertising account for your e-commerce on Facebook and Instagram. In the next lesson, we're going to accomplish a major breakthrough. We're going to set up the infamous Meta Pixel. I know that it's very scary for many people who are new to the advertising world, but I'm going to make it so easy that in under 10 minutes, you're going to be laughing about it. Once again, we're setting up our advertising account according to the 4X formula. In the 4X formula, the Meta Pixel is a key piece to a successful strategy. Thanks to the Pixel, we create 4X growth audiences and are able to optimize and scale beyond 400% return over investment. If you want to learn more about the 4X formula, you can go and check it out on the right side of this page. For now, you have unlocked lesson 3. So go ahead and complete it now. You're 2 lessons away from getting your free audience plan and a lifetime access to this course. It takes less than 10 minutes and you will have reached the peak of this course. So see you there.